Want to know how to export video from CapCut to gallery? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the CapCut app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, tap on New Project or open any existing project. Now go ahead and edit the video. You have different tools of audio, text, overlay, effects, caption, aspect ratio, filters, adjust, stickers, background, and much more. Go ahead and edit this. Once you're done editing and you want to export this video to your gallery, then all you want to do is tap on the export option at the top right corner. Before that, tap on this drop down. Now you can change your resolution from here. If you want to change it to lower quality, go ahead and slide it to your left, but the highest quality is over here. You can make it 2K to 4K, but this is going to take a lot of storage. So if you want it to be in high quality, you can put this to 1080p. Now tap on the export option. As you can see, the video is now exporting. Make sure not to close the CapCut app or lock your screen during this process. Now, this video is ready to share and it has been saved to your device. To check, go ahead and launch Open Gallery. As you can see, this video has been successfully saved to your gallery. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.